Na wadhi nyime gi weche manyien kama jatend piny Kenya William Ruto chulo gowi duto mag osiptal ma osebedo osigo ne mama Mukami Kimathi ma en min od jakedo mar Mau Mau Field Marshal Dedan Kimathi. Jalup jatend piny Kenya Rigathi Gachagua ma ne olimo mama Mukami ma jahigni 92 osiptal mar Nairobi Hospital olando ni jatend Kenya William Ruto chulo gowi manyocha ogeng'ne godo e osiptandno. Gachagua ouma ahinya kaluwore gi ngima matek ma jogo mane okedo ne Kenya kaloe kata odoko ni ne gireso Kenya kowuok e lwet jowagunda.
We are so happy that she's well now and ready to go home. She had a bill of almost 1.3 million that has been cleared by the president, and she should be on her way back home. One of our pillars is universal health coverage for all. We have made changes in the National Hospital Insurance Fund with a view of introducing a scheme where every Kenyan is covered, so that such situations that we are having here today with Mukami Kimathi should not happen anywhere else in the Republic. So that is something we are working on, to come up with a medical scheme where every Kenyan can be assisted by government, and they are covered by that insurance fund, so that when they get into such challenges, the insurance scheme is able to deal with it.